The moment of truth. Up, up, down, down, left, right, E. Bam! We just loaded from RAM. So everything is working mathematically correctly. We just have to add some abstractions on top of that to load and save from disk and load and save from the web. But the hard work is done. Let's look at the code. So in the pixel array to binary array function, we've made some edits to fix a bug in our code. And the bug is actually well, it's kind of split apart right here, but you could say that this was originally a bug, right? Let's put bug right here. Actually, no. Why does that say we're on video 378, right? We're on video 378. So originally right here, this was a bug because we were copying directly over from this trash me binary array, but we can't directly access information in a array buffer. We need to cast it to a view that we can use, in this case a uint8 array. So this PNG array is our usable view that we can access data out of. We've created this PNG byte intermediary variable so that we can error check it right here, make absolutely sure that it is a valid integer and not some weird ass undefined value, which it was until we started grabbing from PNG array instead of trash me binary array. So we're just gonna assign this over, right? We're just copying over data. We're just fixing the bugs that were in our copy over here. And then down in the Filemob local load, the dirty flag, we need to set the dirty flag. Now I may have done something weird with the dirty flag and made it some like random ass negative value. So here I just want to make sure that I set the dirty flag to 0 before I increment it, because I think from now on I want to keep the dirty flag 0 when it's false, exactly 0 when it's false, and increment it every time I want to set it to dirty, so I can have some more information in that dirty flag. It can tell me how many times was it set to dirty before I refreshed, right? So this is going to cause the texture to get uploaded to the GPU so we can see the changes. Here's what I did previously. Here's what we did in this video, and if you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on the fast playlist, source code here. Email me here. You've been on video number 378. Like, subscribe, send money.